I came to Milan to visit the AL.MA factory. Everything was great. Everybody here was super nice. Provided me with a translator who helped me through everything and gave me a tour of the entire facility. We learned how the machines are made from start to finish, as well as provided us with how to use the machines properly and a meal at the end, which was fantastic.
Today, we're at AL.MA for the open house. We showcased and worked with several types of machines, an extruder, a sheeter, a capelletti, and a ravioli machine. These are all user-friendly machines, easy to operate. We experimented with colorful and multi-grain pasta sheets, unique and creative variations that really stood out. Our guests truly appreciated the experience, especially the tastings. We cooked everything on site and paired the dishes with the right combinations, making it a full culinary experience.
È stata veramente una bellissima giornata.
Today we organized our open house here in our factory. It was really a good day. Customers were pretty satisfied about our pasta machines at view in action. So customers went in, can see all machines working, and we had also our chef that prepared plates that were fantastic. So see you next edition.